Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss the characteristics of non-chordata or invertebrates. Animals which lack a notochord are called invertebrates. Examples: amoeba, sponges, hydra, worms, insects, etc. Invertebrata are characterized by the following general features. The vertebral column is absent and the nerve cord is solid in nature. The nerve cord is present on ventral side and the nerve on the dorsal side. When an alimentary canal is present, it lies dorsal to the nerve cord. Invertebrates may be acoelomite or pedicellomite or trucolomite. They may have either symmetry or radical symmetry or bilateral symmetry. The circulatory system is open type or closed type. They exhibit all possible types of reproduction. Now let us discuss the characteristics of chordata or vertebrates. The animals which possess a notochord are called vertebrates. Aquatic, aerial or terrestrial animals comes under this category. The body small to large, bilateral symmetrical and metrically segmented. A post-anal tail usually projects beyond the anus at some stage and may or may not be persist in the adult. Exoskeleton often present, well developed in most vertebrates. The body wall is triploblastic with three germinal layers: ectodermal, mesodermal and endodermal. Coelomate animals are having a true column, enterocholic and schizocholic in origin. A skeletal rod, the notochord, present at some stage in life cycle. A cartilaginous or bony, living and a jointed endoskeleton present in majority of the membranes. Excretory system comprising proto, meso, metanephric kidneys. Nerve cord dorsal and tubular, anterior and usually enlarged to form brain. Sexes separated with rare exceptions. Pharyngeal gill slits present at some stage may or may not be functional. Digestive system complete with digestive glands. Blood vascular system is closed in this organism. Now let us discuss the classification of animals. Animal kingdom is divided into subkingdoms Protozoa and Metazoa. Protozoa are the most abundant animals in the world. Metazoa are multicellular eukaryotics which is divided into three branches like Mesozoa, Parazoa, Eumetazoa. This is a brief outline classification of animal kingdom. The animal kingdom divided based on the levels of organization, it divided into two types: Protozoa and Metazoa. Again this Metazoa comes under into Mesozoa, Parazoa and Eumetozoa. Mesozoa based on the cellular level, Parazoa also cellular level, Eumetozoa and Enterozoa based on the tissue and organization level. Parazoa are categorized into porifera, example sponges, and Eumetazoa and Enterozoa divides into radiata and bilateral. Radiata comes under the category of diploblastic and tissue level, and bilateral comes under the triploblastic and organ system level. Again bilateral is divided into based on embryonic development, it divides into two types. One is protostomus and deuterostomus. Protostomus again based on the column, it is divided into acoelomite, pedicellomite and eucoelomite. Acoelomite comes under Platyhelminthes, pedicellomite comes under Nemathyhelminthes, eucoelomite comes under Annelida, mollusca and Arthropoda, and comes under Deuterostomus divides into Echinodermata and Chordata. Thank you.